what's up YTV? It's your boy DJ Y and we're back with another episode. Last night was big in measure, we had one of the biggest reunion in hip-hop industry. Finally, Drake and Ye squashed their beef at Larry Hoover tribute show, finally. This is big celebration. On the screen you're watching Jay Prince post says, "What a beautiful night I had last night in Canada. Let's make history. December 9, free Larry Hoover concert." Here is Euphoria, here we have Busta Rhymes, here we have fan reactions, movements over the moment. It's the big picture, says Jay Prince. Man, big shout out to Jay Prince for making it happen. This man did one of the biggest job for the culture. Here is post of Nori says, "The power of Dream Champs is impeccable because the power of love is real. Glad to see Kanye West and Drake together. Salute, Jay Prince, respect." Hey yo man, Jay Prince really did the priceless job for the culture, without doubt, without saying.
Cannot believe I'm in a nigga's house. A nigga from this city that did not grow up this way. Tonight, he brought some of the biggest stars on earth to his home. Kanye West is in his home. My God, man, Dave Chappelle is in his home. This is Canada.
This man is always on point, man. Big shout out to king of the comedy, Dave Chappelle, man. He have big role smashing their beef, man. So we need less drama, more music, like Crazy Bone said. Don't forget, we have crazy versus epic versus on the way between Bone Thugs and Harmony and 36 Mafia. December 2, man. Stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. And before I will finish the video, I have question of the day. Just tell me what you think. Who will win this epic versus battle, Bone Thugs or 36 Mafia? Just tell me in comment section. It's your boy DJ Y. God bless you. I love you guys.